when you head over to this website, writersweekly.com. Here at the first glance, you can find this like a weird website, simple website, and outdated one. But here, to your knowledge, writersweekly.com, one of the most secret websites for freelancers and people who want to make money online alike. This amazing website is considered as a gold mine for these people. Here on writersweekly.com, you can actually submit your own article, and for every single article you write for, you will get paid $60 via PayPal. Not only that, you can find amazing gems that would blow your mind. So let me share into this video just so we can walk through this amazing website, writersweekly.com, and how you can earn money online using this weird website. First of all, when you land on this website, Writers Weekly, here, for example, if you want to submit your own articles as a writer or as a freelancer, here you can go to this section, Write for Us. So click over this one. Then you will be taken to the guidelines of this amazing website and how they accept your own submission. Here you can find some alerts like don't use AI for sure. We don't use any numerous submissions over and over again, and so on and so forth. And for sure, they claim that Writers Weekly is distributed to thousands of freelancer writers and authors across the globe every single week. Here, what we publish: feature articles, marketing secrets, and author backstories and book backstories. So for sure, if you're interested in the marketing, social media marketing, and any marketing secrets for writing, for writers, for authors, and so on, so writersweekly.com is a golden destination for you. For sure, we don't publish any generic topics like for poetry, cartoons, or jokes or something, or even these repetitive and frequently submitted topics like how to self-publishing your book, how to get along with editors, how to be a copywriter. This general and generic topic. For sure, they want to go through very personal and very experienced story for marketing, for authors, for other freelancers, and so on. And for every single article they accept from you, you will get paid $60 just only via PayPal. Okay, even if you are living on Africa, Asia, United States, or something, it's a must that you have a PayPal account. Here you can find the feature articles, length 600 words, and you will get paid $60, okay, via PayPal. And the marketing secrets here, okay, the same pricing, our market listing, and so on and so forth. So here's the first way. Here you can make money online from writersweekly.com, and I'm going to show you in this video shortly how you can write these articles like a magic. But now let me show you another thing here on writersweekly.com that will blow your mind. If you go back to the home page on Writers Weekly, here you can find all of these submissions from different freelancers or from different authors. But here you can find this amazing section that is paying markets, these amazing sources and destinations here. So you can take writersweekly.com as a directory for the amazing jobs for freelancers, for writers, and so on to make money online. For example, in the paying markets here, the most updated one, the Baltimore Review. Here, this platform accepts people and people or writers in other words to earn money online from their submissions. So if you go to this one, Baltimore Review, for example, here you can find this review of this platform here and how they can pay authors and writers as you see. So when you just get interested of this amazing platform to earn money from your writing and from your own freelancing jobs, so you can go to this one, the guidelines here, okay, where you can actually write these guidelines and rules. And when you accept this, for sure here you can find the payment here. The non-contest submissions is $50 via Amazon gift certificate or through PayPal and something. If you go to this one, submit, here you can find many of these submissions you can do to earn money from your own writing. And for sure, extended list here: poetry submissions, fiction submissions, creative non-fiction submissions, and so on. And for sure, they can feel as a contest for you. So with due time, so you can actually, if you're just interested in this one, fiction submissions, you can go to submit and insert your own submission and your own writing and so on. They accept, you will get paid like a boss. There's only one for the Baltimore review platform, the Baltimore platform. But here for sure you can find many of these platforms that accept you, where you can write your own articles, your ideas, your stories as you want. And here you can find in this right panel amazing more freelance jobs. Here if you just go for the latest one, here you can find many of these jobs published here that help you as a freelancer or as a writer to earn money from your own writing. Like this one's a full-time remote news editor here, full-time remote digital communication director, full-time remote deputy director for communications, freelance grant writer, and so on and so forth. Here fantasy, romance, pioneers, and so on and so forth. So here you can browse all of these jobs and opportunities to earn money from your writing. That's way writersweekly.com is mainly for authors, for freelancers, or from writers who want to make money from their thoughts, ideas, and own writings. So now remember how we can make these articles or these submissions in every single section, even from even for writersweekly.com or their other market paying markets. For sure, to be more exciting in your writings here and to be away from any suspicious of making your own articles only using AI tools, so you can get real stories and real experience from your own way, or from just again can go to get inspired with different stories from reddit.com. For example, you can head over to these subreddits or just to insert something like marketing secrets, marketing stories, or something like that. Then you can find here many of these amazing stories that you can that you can grasp some ideas and stories to build your own story and your own article in your way. For sure, you can get help from any AI writing assistant like from ChatGPT, Q1, Gemini, and so on. But you have to make your own article more suitable to be humanized, okay? Not just from AI perfect. And here I just gonna show you I'm gonna show you an awesome alternative way. Instead of just wasting your time and energy and effort in searching for different stories and good way to write your own articles. Here, just by going to this amazing tool I just built myself, that is incomesify.com ask to income. Here you can turn any real people question into income system. Just in simple order, pick a high demand niche here, just because ask to income packed with huge database from the frequently asked questions from Google in about 80 hot and trending niches. And then choose your trending topic here. People also highlight them in their communications, in their submissions on Google queries and so on. Then select frequently asked questions or add your own custom question, or you can get here the last hours trending questions from different social media platforms, including Reddit and Quora, TikTok, Facebook groups, and so on. Then you can generate here assets and income systems. So for example, here regarding my own way, I can just go to choose niche, And here I can go, for example, for something digital marketing, okay, as we are wanna write something for writersweekly.com. Then you can find here in this niche digital marketing different amazing hot and trending topics here. So I can go to this one, the personal brand online or growth hacking strategies for startups or something. So I can go for this one, how to rank on Google without backlinks, okay. Then here you can find some of these, the most frequently asked questions people are asking on Google itself. So you can have either two options, either you can pick one of these questions, okay, or you can insert here your own question as you want regarding the same topic, or you can skip all in all the database and go directly to ask your own question here to build your own income stream based on. So I can go, for example, reddit.com here, and so you can go to this one, how can I do some SEO without links, okay. Then here you can find this gold mine one, scan real-time trends regarding this specific question you have selected. So you can go this one, scan real-time, as you see here. As you see here, this result. So here you can find the most trending questions people are asking here on different social media. Are internal links enough for SEO without external backlinks? What the role of technical SEO in linkless ranking strategies and so on. So I just love this one. Then here you can build your own income stream and every single asset you can use as a weapon in your own distribution. And for free trial here and the free plan and the free trial here on Ask to Income tool, here you can find a couple of these tools available for you, including the plug article. So click over this one. As you see here, how to rank on Google without backlinks. Here you can find the summary for the AI search engines like ChatGPT, Google AI or something. Then you can go to the body of your own article here as you see. And for sure here, I just recommend you when you copy this article, it's better for you actually to insert your touch here from your experience and from different examples, stories from Reddit and so on to make humanizing of your article as much as possible as you observe. Then here your article will demand it based on a real search from different writers from different freelancing here regarding the SEO and any digital marketing tips and tricks. Okay, that's it. So here, just by using Ask to Income here, you can make your own articles for writersweekly.com for sure after you insert your own input and your examples. So now go to writersweekly.com and explore it, how you can make one online and how to submit your own articles in this amazing website to make one online from your own article using your own effort and your searching or using Ask to Income tool. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.